Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something super useful, a blind spot mirror for my rear view mirror. This is an unbranded product, everything's in Chinese, but hey, that's what makes it interesting, right? I snagged this gem on Amazon for Rs 227 and inside we have two round mirrors snugly packed in this protective plastic molds. First impression? The quality and finish look absolutely fantastic. I mean, who doesn't love a little chrome to jazz things up? On the back, we have a 3M adhesive sticker, which is always a plus for sticking these bad boys on securely. Plus, the mirror itself is adjustable. You can tilt it to your heart's content. I really wanted this for my rear view mirror to help see the curb while parking. My Kuwait doesn't have an adjustable knob for the primary mirror, so this should definitely improve my visibility. But first, let me clean the mirror surface to ensure a strong bond. Alright, here we go. I'm peeling off the adhesive sticker and placing it at the outermost lower side of the mirror. And done. Now I can adjust the angle to make sure I have a clear view of the ground and the curb. This is amazing. Check out this glass. It has a fisheye effect, yet it's crystal clear. Now, let's move to the other side. I can already feel my eyes adjusting to this new addition on my rear view mirror. Of course, I'm curious to see how this mirror holds up over time. Will the angle stay firm or will it loosen with vibrations? We'll have to keep an eye on that. Thanks for joining me today on this unboxing adventure. If you found this video helpful, please do hit that like button and subscribe for more.